Hi, I'm Brady with Badger Welder here. So you got your Badger Welder, how do you take care of it? So for regular maintenance, you want to keep it in a dry spot and you want to check it for wear. Make sure it's fully charged when you're not using it, keeping it stored fully charged. And then also tips, making sure they're clean, not full of all weld splatter and stuff so the wire flows nicely. To extend the life of the welder, you want to make sure that you keep it cleaned and vacuumed out, keeping the dust out of it, keeping it covered when you're not using it. And that's how to take care of your Badger welder. For more supplies or information, visit our website at www.badgerwelder.com.